In this video, you'll learn how to find and use Bitget coupons effectively. By following this guide, you will be able to locate your coupons and redeem them for benefits on the Bitget platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the crypto trading platform. This is where you will begin your coupon discovery journey. Next, locate and click on the highlighted area on the homepage. This section is typically designed to draw attention to promotions or features, making it easier for users to find relevant information about available coupons. After that, find and click on the settings option. This is generally located in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking this will redirect you to a settings menu where you can manage your account preferences and access additional features. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the Coupon Center option. This section is specifically dedicated to coupons and vouchers. Clicking on it will take you to the area where you can view all available coupons and their details. Following that, click on the vouchers option within the Coupon Center. This will display a list of all the vouchers you currently have, including their expiration dates and terms of use. It is essential to review this information to understand how to utilize your vouchers effectively. Now, proceed to click on the Position Voucher option to explore more specific vouchers that may be applicable to your trading activities. This section typically contains targeted offers that can enhance your trading experience on the platform. Then click on the claim button associated with the voucher you wish to redeem. This action will initiate the process of applying the voucher to your account. Make sure to observe any confirmation messages that appear on the screen, as they will indicate whether the voucher has been successfully claimed. It's important to keep in mind that some coupons may have specific conditions or expiration dates, so always check these details before attempting to use them. Additionally, if you encounter any issues, consider your internet speed and ensure that your connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.